Hello student, so in this video we are going to discuss class 10th maths exercise 5.3. So in the previous video we have discussed ninth question. Now move to the 10th question. So 10th question is so that A1, A2 up to AN form an AP where AN is defined as below. AN is equal to 3 plus 4n, and second part is AN is equal to 9 minus 5n. Also find the sum of the first 15 term in each of case. So let's start. So an is equal to an is equal to 3 plus 4n, and as we know that d is equal to d क्या होता है an minus an minus 1. So this is equal to, so an क्या गिवन अपने पास 3 plus 4n, और an minus 1 क्या हो जाएगा, so this is equal to an minus 1 is equal to 3 plus 4n minus 1. So this is equal to 3 plus 4n minus 3 minus 4n plus 4. So this is equal to 4. ये कैंसिल आउट हो जाएंगे, 3 से 3 कट गया, 4 से 4 कट जाएगा, तो क्या बच गया, 4 बच गया, यानी डी अपने पास क्या आ गया, डी इज इक्वल टू 4. As d is free from n, d is constant, hence an is an AP. So what we have, a1 is equal to 7, a1 is equal to 7. So we have to find s15. S15 is equal to n by 2, n by 2 and 15 by 2 into 2a. 2a is equal to 7 into 2 14 plus n minus 1 15 minus 1 into d, 15 minus 1 into d, d is 4. So this is equal to 15 by 2 into 70. So this is equal to 525. Now move to the second part. सेकंड पार्ट में क्या गिवन है, an is equal to 9 minus 5n, 9 minus 5n, and d is equal to an minus an minus 1. So this is equal to 9 minus 5n, and this is equal to 9 minus 5 into n minus 1. So this is equal to minus 5. So as d is free from n, d is constant, hence an is NAP. So what we get? A1 is equal to 4. So we have to find S15. So S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2a. 2a is equal to 2 into a. So this is equal to 8 plus n minus 1, 14 into d. So d is equal to minus 5. So on solving this, we get minus 4, 6, 5. Now move to the 11th question. If the sum of the first n term of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term? That is S1. What is the sum of first two term? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third term and the 10th term and the nth term. So what we have given, Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. So S1 is equal to 4 minus 1. So this is equal to 3, which is equal to A1. So S2 is equal to 8 minus 4. This is equal to 4. So, and we know that An is equal to Sn minus 1. So this is equal to 4n minus n square minus 4 into n minus 1 minus n minus 1 whole square. So this is equal to 4n minus n square minus 4n plus 4 plus n square 2n plus 1. So this is equal to An is equal to 5 minus 2n. So what we get, A2 is equal to 1. Similarly, when we put n is equal to 3, we get minus 1, and A10 is equal to minus 15. So this is question number 11. Sorry, ये what we have given, I will repeat this question again. Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. So what S1 is equal to 4 minus 1. So this is equal to 3. Similarly, we get S2 is equal to 8 minus 4. So what we get, 4, and An is equal to Sn. An is equal to Sn minus 1. So this we get 4n minus n square minus 4n n minus 1 into n minus 1 whole square. So on solving this, we get An is equal to 5 minus 2n. So when we put n is equal to 2, so A2 is equal to 1. Similarly, A3 is equal to minus 1. Same as A10 is equal to minus 15. Now move to the 12th question. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. So we have to find the sum of first 40 integers जो किससे डिविजिबल हो, 6 से डिविजिबल हो. So पहला जो डिविजिबल होगा वो 6 से डिविजिबल होगा 6. दूसरा क्या होगा 12. तो तीसरा क्या होगा 18. अपने को कहाँ तक निकालना है 14th टर्म तक, 14th टर्म तक निकालना है. सो this is equal to up to 40th term. 14th term. So फॉर्मूला क्या होता है एस एन इज इक्वल टू एन बाई टू एस एन इज इक्वल टू एन बाई टू यानी 40/2 इंटू 2a. So 2a is equal to 6 into 2 12 plus n minus 1 40 minus 1, so this is equal to 39 into 6. So this, on solving this, we get, and this is equal to 4920 4920. Now move to the 13th question. So 13th question is equal to find the sum of first 15 multiple of 8. So we have to find the sum of 15th multiple of 8. So first term is 8, second term is, first term is 8, second term is 16, third term is 24. So we have to find up to 15th term. 15th term. So simply we have to use SN formula. So S15 is equal to S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2a 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 is equal to 8 into 2, so this is equal to 16, n minus 1 n minus 1, so this is equal to 15 minus 1, so this is equal to 14 into d is 8. So on solving this we get 960. Now move to the now move to the 14th question. 14th question is equal to find the sum of the odd number between 0 and 15. So we have to find the sum of odd number. So odd number between 0 and 15 are 1, 3, 5 up to 50. So up to 50, last odd number is 49. So this is equal to 4, 9. So n is equal to, so in this n is equal to 25. इसके अंदर कितने ओड नंबर है 25, and a is equal to 1, d is equal to 2. So s25 is equal to, so s25 is equal to 25 by 2 into 2a, 25 by 2, so this is equal to plus n minus 1. So this is equal to 24 into 2. So on solving this, we get 6 to 5. Now move to the 15th question. 6 to 5. Now 15th question is a contract on on construction job specify a penalty for delay of completion behind a certain date as followed: 200 for the first day, 250 for the second day, 300 for the third day. The penalty of each succeeding day by being 50 more than the plan by preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as a penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? So in this question, what we have, first term is 200, then 250, then 300, so up to 30 term. So what we get, as 30 is equal to 30 by 2 into 2a, so this is equal to 400, n minus 1, so 29 into 50, so this is equal to 15 into 1850, so this is equal to 27750. Now move to the 16th question. A sum of 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prize to the student of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is 20 less than its preceding price, find the value of each of its prize. So let the prize be A. So A. Next one is A minus 20. Next one is A minus 40. Next is A minus 60. So this is up to 7 times. So sum of price is 700. So this is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. 7 minus 1. 7 minus 1 into minus 20. So this is equal to 700. So this is equal to a minus 60 is equal to 100. So a is equal to 160. The price are 160, 140, 120, 100, 80, 60 and 40. Now move to the 17th question. In a school, a student thought of planting tree in an award around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will the same as the class in which they are studying. Example: a section of class 1 will plant one tree, a section of class 2 will plant two tree, and so on till class 12. There are three sections of each class. How many trees are planted by the student? So total number of trees planted by student are, so in the first class there is three sections, so 3. So in the second class there is three sections, so this is equal to 9, then it's equal to 9, so this is equal to 12 class, so this is up to goes to 36. So we have to find the sum of all these. So this is equal to 12 by 2 n by 2 into 2a, sorry, we use n by 2 a plus l, so this is equal to 3 plus 36, so this is equal to 6 into 39, so this is equal to 234. Now Move to the 18th question. A spiral is made by successive semicircle with centers alternatively at A and B, starting with center A of radii 0.5 centimeter and then 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1.5, 2 centimeter as shown in figure. What is the total length of such a spiral made of 13 consecutive circle? Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. So, so length of semicircle with radius 0.5 is equal to, so 0.5 centimeter. Length of semicircle is 0.5 into pi, and now length of 1 centimeter semicircle is pi centimeter. So it's a length of semicircle. Length of semicircle same as 1.5 centimeter. So this is equal to 1.5 into pi centimeter. So this will go 0.5 into pi. This is equal to 1.5 pi up to so on. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2, 2a. So this is equal to 2a. 0.5 pi into 2 is equal to pi n minus 1, 12 into d. So this is equal to 0.5 pi. So this is equal to 13 by 2 into 7 pi. So this is equal to 13 by 2 into 7 into 32 by 7. So what we get? 143 centimeter. So now move to the last question, 20. So in this, what we have given, in a potato race a bucket, wait a minute, which question? So now move to the 19th question. 200 logs are stacked in the following manner: 20 log in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row next to it, and so on. In how many rows are there 200 log placed, and how many logs are in the top row? So, this is equal to 19th question. So this is equal to 20 plus 19 plus 18 up to n term. So this is equal to up to n term is equal to 200. So this is equal to n by 2, 2a, 40 plus n minus 1 into d. D is equal to 90 minus 20. So this is equal to 200. So this is equal to n by 2, 41 minus n. This is equal to 200. On solving this, what we get? 41 n minus n square is equal to 400. So on solving this, what we get? N square minus 41 n plus 400 is equal to 0. So this is equal to n minus 25 into n minus 16. So this is equal to 0. So n is equal to 25 and this is equal to 16. So S25 is equal to 25 by 2 into 2a. So this is equal to 40 plus n minus 1, 24 into d minus 1. So on solving this, what we get? 200. Now move to the last question, 20. In a potato, place a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potato are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. So as we can see in the figure, a competitor start from the bucket, pick up the nearest potato, run back with it, drop it in the bucket, run back to pick up the next potato, run to the back bucket to the top in the, and she continue in the same way until all the potatoes are in bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? So to pick up the first, second, third potatoes, distance covered are 10 meter, 10, 16, 22. So these form an AP. So S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2A. 2A is equal to 10 into 2 plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1 into 6. So this is equal to 5 into 74. So this is equal to 370 meter. So this is all about exercise 5.3. So thank you.